Now, I entered the world of crypto back in 2016, and if there's one thing that I learned the hard way in that bull run, is that when XRP rips, it rips faces. This week alone, XRP has rallied 84%. However, if you have been following the story with me, if you have been following all the trade setups that I have been presenting here on this channel, then at the minimum, you're up a good 70% on this rally. That's right, 70%. There's a reason why I've been so consistent with the XRP updates, because I know that when XRP moves, it's going to move like this. It's not going to give anyone a chance to get in. I noticed that a lot of you following the XRP story, you guys are in the Discord chat, some of you are in the seed program as well. Many of you guys actually managed to catch the trade, so freaking congratulations to those of you who did. Now, also just a quick reminder, BitUnix is running a very generous campaign where they're essentially giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. Guys, there is no KYC on the exchange right now, and there is no jurisdiction restriction. So irrespective of what country you're in, you can actually go ahead and participate in this campaign. All right, so take advantage of it for as long as it lasts. I believe it ends on November 23rd. I will be linking the campaign down in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. That is literally free money in the corner of the room for you guys to trade with. Now, before I get into the juice of this analysis, let's quickly recap what we've gone over so far. To keep it simple, it's stupid, okay? You want to see price first take out that high right there at around 73 cents. That's target number one. And then we essentially break out of the falling channel formation as well as that massive symmetrical triangle-like formation, right? At which point I'll be looking for targets going all the way up to $1.04 and then all the way back up to those 2021 bull run highs at around $1.96. Perfect, let's pause. Now we went over three very bullish developments on XRP's chart that would likely take it all the way back up to those previous bull run highs, which only came in at around $1.98. From where price is at right now to that previous all-time high, that's still a good 77% on that next move. But is that all we can expect from XRP? Absolutely not. Did you guys forget about this macro symmetrical triangle formation, which, by the way, we have finally broken out of for the first time since, well, it's been in formation since 2017. The measured move to which you guys laughed at me for, it would take XRP all the way up to $23. Guys, this is still a probable target. I will be explaining why it is a probable target in the next video, so make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon. So yes, there's still a lot more juice left on XRP. So today, of course, we're going to be talking about targets to the upside as well as potential pullback opportunities for those of you who are on the sidelines still and, well, you didn't get in your positions. We'll be talking about pullback criteria today, okay? But this is what I mean. Now, as traders, guys, I want you guys to start forecasting price action. Don't just go based on what the chart is telling you right now. Now, when I looked at XRP first, I said that, hey, all the FUD luggage that we had during this bull run and this bull run all got cleared out during this phase right here. So I looked at that as a very bullish development. I said there's any chance that XRP actually gets not only up to its previous all-time high, but even the one before that at around $3.26. It's this time around. Now, for those of you who are in a position and you're wondering, hey, how high can XRP go right here? When is a good time to be taking, well, short-term profits off the table? Well, here's what I'll be looking at. Get into the 4-hour time frame. This is a bloody strong uptrend, but this is the region that I'm going to be gunning for, $1.21. Now, I wouldn't necessarily take profits off of that region, but as soon as prices start closing over $1.21, I know that, okay, XRP from here wants to continue to the upside, at which point I will be looking for that previous bull run high to get tested, which only comes in at around $1.61 on the range, all the way up to $1.96. Yeah, that's an entire range for you right there. Okay, the previous bull run high, but that's only if we clear out $1.21. If I start seeing a stutter stop at around $1.21, so multiple 4-hour candle closes underneath this region, that's when I know that, hey, we might be heading down for a higher low on XRP's chart. Is there anything alluding to this? Well, for that, let's get into the Mango dashboard. Now, you guys can find the dashboard on app.mangoresearch.co, and honestly, guys, say you were not following the story with me, but instead you were looking at the Mango dashboard and you were looking for the trends and the volatility profile. If you caught XRP's trend flip on the Mango dashboard, at the minimum, you'd be up 26% on your trade, and that's only today, okay? A couple of days ago, you're still up 81% if you manage to catch the trend flip on the 2-day time frame. 81% on that trend. All Right, so now the volatility is currently hovering at 100 across the board, 96 on the 2-day time frame. Now, every time I see volatility expand to these high red numbers, that's when I often look for the pullback opportunity. But it's not just, okay, you never use it in isolation. If you're seeing the volatility expand, then take that information and look towards the chart. Look to see if you're heading into a region of resistance. Now, I have identified one such region, which only comes in right here at around $1.21. So if we start seeing multiple rejections on there, I know to look for a pullback opportunity. Also, before I give you guys the pullback bids, I just want to draw everyone's attention to the premium video section right here. I did post 2 brand new trade setups, one yesterday, one today. The first one has a good 60% on the swing. The one from today can actually take this very, very popular coin all the way back up to its all-time highs, which I believe is another 60 to 65% on that trade. So definitely go ahead and check it out. You got the bids, you got the targets, and you got the invalidations on there. I'll be posting more on the premium video section, so please do keep up to date with those. Now, I speak to those of you looking for that pullback opportunity and looking to build on your XRP trade. Where can you really expect the pullback to? Honestly, if we just zoom out of the chart, I want you guys to look at the zone between $1.07 going all the way down to 94 cents. This has been a historic region of contention for the bulls and the bears, even throughout that previous bull run. This is where the bulls and the bears fought, right? Every time we take out resistance, prices rally. We take out support, prices melt down even further. So if we see a rejection at around $1.21, I won't be surprised if we actually make our way back down to this purple zone right here, $1.07 to 94 cents, to give that an official tap on that next higher low. All right, that's what I personally am going to be looking for. Also, I just want to give a couple of shout outs. Seedlings, Jun Kai from the Mango Seed program, he says, well, XRP $1, historic. He's up a good 228% on that trade. And I also want to give a massive shout out to Alvaro, and he really sums up the Mango Seed program right here. He said he's been absent for a year due to a lot going on in his life. However, he still managed to land some of those dream trades. He caught Bitcoin around the 20K mark in 2023. Okay, he let that trend ride. He was looking at the long-term plan that Sean actually drew out for everybody on Twitter, on Discord, on YouTube, as well as he also caught the XRP trade at 52 cents. He says he used to beat himself up for not trading more frequently, but he's come to realize that this approach doesn't work for him, at least not this year. And that's essentially what the Seed program teaches you. Alvaro says it too. He says Sean's advice to keep it stress-free might sound simplistic, but it runs deep. It involves analyzing your personal circumstances and tailoring your trading strategy accordingly. If you guys want to learn how to trade stress-free, how you want to build trading around your life and not the other way around, you don't want to be chart staring, but you want to capture those big wins, then definitely check out the Mango Seed program, because that has changed a lot of lives, including mine. I will be linking that in the description below, themangoway.com/seed. I get this question a lot. If you guys are deciding whether picking the course or the indicators, pick the course. The foundations are going to make every indicator that much more powerful, that much more potent. You are going to be better off for it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to take advantage of BitUnex's campaign. I will now see you in the next one. And if you have any requests, any altcoin requests, let me know in the comment section below. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.